Work requests require approval to become work orders. To start approving, select a work request with a status of New from the main grid. Next, select the Approve button in the toolbar. If you would like to notify the work request's originator of your approval, check the Email Originator box. If you have the Auto WO plan for WR switch enabled in System Admin, approving will automatically take you to the work order edit page, where you can add details, further planning, and documents to the new work order. When you have finished making changes, return to the main grid. The new work order will now appear in the Work Orders module. You can also approve a work request while editing it, but only if it has a status of New.